Who sent this?
Check their profile.
It just says the sender.
Lame name.
This is gonna fuck me.
Okay, nobody knows that we're here, right?
What about your mum?
She's in Melbourne. What about you, Megamind?
I'm not a snitch.
This is really fucking creepy. See? We're all gonna get killed and end up on a true crime podcast.
Calm down, Frankie.
I'm never gonna be a nurse on Shoreland Street now.
Just breathe.
Don't touch me.
Everyone, lounge, now! Okay, we all got these creepy texts, right?
My dad's gonna kill me.
We've got 2 hours.
Whoever sent these knew we were gonna be together tonight.
Well, it's obviously none of us. All of our phones are on the table.
Have you heard of Schedule Send?
Confess your sins. Interesting wording. Right, Noah?